for changing the battery cable. Got negative side front tab goes over here. Then it falls down, continues all the way down into the guts of the machine here. Got the positive side, the red, which goes here into this tube here, and then that goes and attaches right about here to this negative side, and this tube goes ahead and follows it all the way down to the bottom. The other side of the positive goes over through here into kind of the hose, as it would be, and ends up connecting over here. And this thing here goes and connects up in here where that spot of red is. That's where it's connecting. So we're going to go ahead and remove and replace those. Okay, here's a reminder of the battery cable setup. Unbolted this from the red capped area. This came from a very tight bolt into the metal here. See that blue guy right there. Then this part right here, see if I can get a picture of it. Now that goes into the same metal behind this one. So first it's this one here, and then it's this one. The other side here is attached to this white plastic piece right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that off, and that should pretty much be the stuff. Okay, this is the top side of the battery cable is running on the side of the bottom side. Okay. This is on here. This right here, plugged in here. Okay. This right here is attached. It's screwed down right here. There. Okay. This guy here, the red side, and over here on the other side, the positive one, and this guy right here, plugged in, went underneath this, so I loosened it so I can get the wire out and back under. It goes underneath, comes through, and attaches over in here on this screw right here. Okay. And the rest of these, so you follow it through, that's on top, and the clip, and this here goes down underneath. This part is screwed on next to this part right here, and then the other side is attached to a plastic piece. It's hanging down there, and then this side is bolted on and put underneath the